Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We are from 12 Accounting 3 SMK Keuangan Pekanbaru. My name is Cikasis Indiani and
My name is Masih Satang. We will take a video about conversation.
happy watching. Hey Siska, you look not good. Are you okay?
I'm got busy.
Do you need something like a medicine maybe?
Yes, please. I need a medicine for a headache.
Okay, I will get that for you.
Thank you.
There is no medicine, but I bring eucalyptus oil for you.
Thank you so much, Sita.
Yeah, no problem, but you should see a doctor.
Yes, I will. Thanks for you calling.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.